Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2024 Ford Ranger, stock number 6594. This is ran from the 5th 2022 to the current shape. It has an RWD 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front goodies light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.